Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So unfortunately, yeah, we've had a massive crash, haven't we? And things have gone down rapid overnight. Some of you may have just been kind of waking up to it and looking at the charts and thinking, what the hell's going on here? And who knows exactly what's going on? I must admit, I haven't been looking at the macro conditions. I've heard talk about Japan not doing so great. Obviously, we've talked about recession. We've we've had conversations about Mount Gox giving out the bitcoins, and people potentially could be selling them, especially now, I guess. Could this be um, people selling stuff in order to try to create massive fear in the market and get people to dump even more? Who knows how much manipulation is actually going on in the market. So Bitcoin is currently at 54K, had a little bit of a recovery from where it was. I think it went below 50,000, which is incredible, as in incredibly bad. Okay. Ethereum's really taken a bit of a nosedive, um, heading well, closer to 2,000 and 3,000 now. And if you look at the 7 days, Ethereum is down 26%. Obviously, we've had this little bit of recovery in the past sort of couple of hours. So it's down even further than that. A lot of things are down over 30%. Solana were headed down to 110 before. It's down 30% over the past 7 days after it climbed up to, I think, 185 or something like that. It actually went down to about 110. So losing 75 points, it's like getting closer to down 50% in a day at one point. So absolute bloodbath, okay? But you know what they say, when there's blood on the streets, you should be buying, okay? So if you've had the bottle to buy stuff, some people will have been really happy about these prices coming down and thinking, great, I can now buy stuff. So let's have a quick look. Solana liquidations. The longs are the red bars here, and most people have been liquidated on Binance and OKX. And you can see that the shorts, the green bar there, is not too far behind the longs, which and the reason being is because maybe people have shorted it here, say, and then we've had this big climb up, so we've gone from like 111 all the way back up to 130. So a big 19-point swing for Solana in the past sort of whatever that is, and whatever I got it on hours, a couple of hours or so. So, that kind of thing, if you've been longing, sorry, if you've been shorting Solana, then you could have lost a ton there. Even these kind of dips and troughs here, lots of people longing and shorting have both lost. Okay. We have a look at the Bitcoin liquidations on Glassnode, on CoinGlass. Um, so obviously the longs have been, that's one of the biggest. Yeah, I mean, there's a few other days, okay, in April and in March that were worse, but that's really bad. But also you can see the liquidations here are pretty big for people who are shorting. So obviously the biggest losses in liquidations, where people have been liquidated are obviously in the longs. But yeah, people who are shorting also lost a lot as well when it's bounced back up again. So everybody's basically losing if you've pretty much if you've been longing and shorting and taking out those kind of positions. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a quick video. Let me know in the comments how you're doing. Keep your stuff together, keep calm, keep holding. And if you've got any cash on the sides, maybe you've bought, let me know in the comments if you've bought, if you've had the bottle to buy. Lots of people, when the price goes down like this, don't have the bottle to buy.